Hey guys, Zero11 here. Today we have another box of 2016-2017 Upper Deck Series 1. And let me get it open here. Hopefully I can get it open quicker. Let's go. Here we go. Not messing around this time, but this is the second box. If you noticed, my background now has more significant cards I've gotten the first break. So, the first break was really good. I actually got 8 Young Guns. So, hopefully that's not the best box. I have 4 boxes total, so, but let's get going. Box number 2. Packs are shredding again. Oh, Canvas Young Guns, Brandon Carlo. Now, he is exclusive to Canvas, so he's going to have a Young Guns base in Series 2, but there you go. Brandon Carlo Young Guns. Good start. And base. Next pack. Oliver Bjorkstrand Young Guns. That's a solid one also. Next pack. Look at all these Young Guns. Wow. Soon I'm going to have to run dry with all these. Alright, pack was shredded. Alright, next pack. Let's see, we got any. Nothing. Yeah, insert. Goalie Nightmares. I don't know how many goalie nightmares there are. I got quite a few. This is Nikita Kucherov. You have Carter, Camilleri, and Savard. Next pack. Try to get through this one a little quicker, but I don't really want to rush it. Oh, we got a Shining Stars of Artemi Panarin. And last video I said those look like 97, 98 freaking Upper Deck Gold Reserve. So that's what I think they look like. Or you get like Vincent LeCavalier rookie card. Alright, next pack. Oh, that's a cool one. Cool canvas. We got Upper Deck Canvas of Matt Murray. That's a really cool looking one. I wonder if that was like... That probably was last year. Had to be last year because he was injured. I don't know how much he played earlier. Okay, next pack. To go with Matt Murray, we got the champion, Phil Kessel. What a champion. And base. Next pack. Oh man, it's just shredding. Okay, here we go. Jacob Chikrin, Young Guns. There's a solid Young Guns. I haven't really had a weak Young Gun yet. That's good. Jacob Chikrin. And base. There's some really odd inserts you can get. I know you get there at the cup, but there's also like ceremonial puck drop. I believe they're like 1 in 5,000 packs or something ridiculous like that. Alright, another Shining Stars of Claude Giroux. Shining Stars of Claude Giroux. And base. Next pack. Oh man, these packs. Sorry, champs. These packs are just giving me a hard time. Goaltending Nightmares. Jamie Benn. So hopefully I get one of those, what are they called? Enforcers or something? Those were cool. You get a bunch of grinders and goons on there. Nikita Trampkin Young Guns. Now if you look in the background here, right there, that's an acetate Young Guns of Nikita Trampkin. I think it's acetate. I don't know, it could be one of those foil cards that are like 1 in 72 packs. But hopefully it's acetate. I think it's acetate. It's really flimsy. Next pack, we have a Corey Schneider portrait. Stafford, Nash, Stastny. Next pack. Packs are annoying. We have, here we go. Super Colossal. These are what I'm talking about. Derek Dorsett. And base. No hobby exclusive things yet in this box. Looking for exclusives, anything like that. Oh, we got a canvas. Shane Doan. And base. Next pack. We have Nick Dowd Young Guns of the Los Angeles Kings. And the rest is base. And obviously, yeah, Connor McDavid is on the front of the packs, obviously. Just want to point that out. Oh, Shining Stars Blue of Johnny Gaudreau. Shining Stars Blue, Johnny Gaudreau. Next pack. We have, oh, there we go. We got exclusives. Number 21 out of 100 of Nick Leddy of the New York Islanders. First exclusives. Cool. Don't really get exclusives much. And my focus is off. Hold on. There, you can have a good look at the McDavid pack right there. But these are cheaper than last year's packs, I guess. Because there is no McDavid. Young Matthews isn't McDavid, so I guess that's why. We got another... Oh, base. Or my pile of base is kind of getting overwhelming here. We got Josh Morrissey, Young Guns. Decent one to get. He's actually, I believe he's playing with Buffalo on the top pairing, so that's interesting. Next pack. By the way, I really like these base cards. They look really nice. We got a portrait of Ryan Johansson. Peter Holland. And let's see what else we got here. Oh, another one of them was scoring the goals. Oh, we got a hit. Clear-cut honored members of Norm Allman, numbered 40 of 100. See right there? Clear-cut honored members. I remember these before in other Upper Deck products. Well, other Series 1s. And we got a Goalie Nightmares of Mark Stone. So I'm not sure about that Norm Allman card. I'll look into that one. But exclusives in that's pretty good. 2 hobby exclusive portrait there. Oh, screw you. Alex Petrovic, Super Colossal. So remember this guy? He injured Patrick Kane in 2015. You end that? This end that. Sorry about that, champs. That's 023. Jeez. Just press end. You got that? 023 is harassing me while I'm making a video. Maybe I told him before I left that I'm making a video. But that's alright. Continuing on. We have Wayne Simmons. UD Portraits. Yeah, these portraits look good this year. We got base. The exclusives look just like last year's exclusive, how they have how it says it all like that. Next pack, Tom Kuhnackel, Young Guns. There we go, Stanley Cup champion also, and base. Final 2 packs. Let's see what we get here. I don't know if I need any more Young Guns or anything. I like going into this blind. I don't like knowing the pattern of cards or anything. Oh, they're canvas. Travis Zajac. And base. Final pack. Right here, final pack. What do we get? Oh, Shining Stars. Shining Stars of Philip Forsberg. So yeah, guys, there's box number 2. Stay tuned for box 3 and 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.